This time of year, the last thing we want is a hot and heavy meal to weigh us down. So to help us through the dog days of summer, we came up with a fresh tasting salad that teams up with just about anything. And it's from our diabetic-friendly website, everydaydiabeticrecipes.com. We start by combining a can of chickpeas and black beans that we've drained and rinsed really well. Did you know that by rinsing these, it reduces the sodium by about 40%? To that, we add some cut up cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, a good amount of frozen corn that we thawed, and a handful of sliced scallions. And to give the salad lots of flavor, we whisk together some olive oil, lime juice, minced garlic, chopped cilantro, and a little salt and pepper. This goes over the salad fixings and it's ready to eat as is, or you can pop it in the fridge if you prefer it chilled. Either way, it's beyond your typical side dish since it's packed with protein, fiber, and a fresh citrusy taste. You could even add in some chunked ham, chicken, or even shrimp and turn it into a hearty main dish. To get this party-perfect recipe, go to our website and type in Summer Party Salad. It's that easy. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh, summery way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Like your veggies. Make it grow big and tall.